And now from ABC2, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Let's start off with Maryland's most powerful radar. We've been tracking the rain through the day. Now a lull in the action, which was good for the evening commute, though still some damp roads. But look what's brewing out in western Maryland. Yeah, another round of precipitation here, and it is in the form of rain plus sleet, so more ice pellets coming down along the I-70, I-68 corridor west out toward Cumberland as you head into the far western part of the state. Some of this activity, some of it will be making it into the Baltimore area tonight, and I tell you, temps are much colder than when we had that first round this morning. So even though technically our winter weather alerts are from Frederick West for the remainder of tonight to actually 1 a.m. in the morning, and there is a bit of a freezing rain concern out into Garrett County, I would still say in places like Carroll County, northern Baltimore County, and along the PA border, there could be some icy spots, overpasses, elevated road surfaces. As we go through the evening, temps are hovering very close to that critical freeze mark of 32 degrees. Now, of course, you can always get the latest winter weather advisories, watches and warnings in the palm of your hand instantly. Maybe on that new iPhone 6, you can do it with the Storm Shield app. Make sure you've got that downloaded. 42 today out at BWI. Normal temp, 50. You remember yesterday we're running a solid 15 degrees above average, even 20 degrees above average. None of that as we look at the setup in about 1/4 of an inch of precipitation so far. Boy, it was ugly today as that precipitation came down in the Baltimore area. Just that kind of cold, pelting rain. And that's what we're still seeing here at the boys' Latin School in Baltimore. 35 right now at BWI. Again, just 3 degrees off that critical freeze point of 32. And those elevated surfaces always the first to ice up, so you have to watch for that late this evening. Mixed showers through the evening, continuing as late as midnight. And I do think there could be some icy spots out there, even in the Baltimore suburbs. Now, beyond that, temperatures are going to go above freezing pretty quickly tomorrow. We're going to see a pretty significant warm-up for 1 day only, but we'll take it. Right now, though, again, very, very chilly night, and again, very close to freezing, precariously close. Look at the difference from this time tomorrow, last night rather, to tonight. 27 degrees colder in D.C. and Easton than just 24 hours ago. The wild temperature swings of November. What can we say? It's a north breeze now. Winds are going to be fairly breezy tomorrow. They'll be out of the south, kind of a mild breeze early in the day. Then they rotate around. We get a cold breeze tomorrow night, and that's going to chill us down for the rest of the week. In the meantime, it's all about these mixed showers, creating a little bit of concern out there on the roads. Beyond that, we'll clear things out through the day tomorrow. I think we're generally rain-free, though a fairly cloudy day, a milder day. We'll melt off any icy spots quickly. And then on Thursday, really just unseasonably chilly as temperatures drop back down. Big picture at the surface, it's interesting. We're in the cold sector now. A little sleet along that warm frontal boundary. We're briefly going to get a taste of this mild air south of us. It's not really warm, but it is a bit milder. Moves in for just 24 hours max. Then we get a cold shot in behind that, and that's going to last right into the weekend. So it does look fairly chilly throughout the remainder of the outlook. Again, after a brief warm-up tomorrow, you do note that cold air marches south, and as a result, we're stuck down in the 40s again Thursday. And that temperature, get used to that because it looks like mid-40s right into the weekend. Tonight down to 35, the mix ending eventually. Icy spots possible, especially elevated bridges, roads, overpasses. Tomorrow 54. A good-looking day, although I think it'll be mostly cloudy, but the winds turn north tomorrow night, and then the cold air rolls in again, and this time it's got some staying power. Yeah, only mid-40s Thursday and Friday. Rainy and raw conditions likely late Friday into Saturday. Things just kind of stay unsettled, but they never really warm up much this weekend. Sunday, you know, showers may linger. I don't think an all-day soaking rain, but you know, any rain when it's in the 40s is not necessarily welcome, but it's look, November, you know you're eventually going to get December. You know you're going to get those weekends.
Okay, those
Rain's
weekends.
better than snow.
Yeah, that's it.